Hi and welcome to today's video on how to open a free Azure account. The idea to do this video now is that there will come some videos about how to do different stuff on Azure, and to be able to follow along you would need an Azure account. So for those of you that don't have that yet, this is the tutorial for you. So there's a three-step process in this. So number one, create a Microsoft account, because you cannot create an Azure account without a Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, no issue, you can go directly to step two, and then after creating the Microsoft account, create the Azure account, and then after that we will log into Azure to make sure that we can access it. Good, then let's get going. So now we are on the azure.microsoft.com site, where we'll also create your Microsoft account. So we'll start free, and it asks you which account should you use. This is not a fully set up account, but I will say use another account. Then you will say create one. So now I'm going to create a new account on valueworks.com. That should be contact. Next. Password. And now it asks for setup. You can say region, this is required. So let's put in I should have some mail. Let's verify. And there it is. And 434. Next. Pick the Rhino. I think it is that one. So now I filled the form to spare you the waiting. I've pre-filled it. So now I'm ready to press text me, and I will get a text on my phone. Maybe. There it was. So now that's verified. The rest is already pre-filled. So next. Yeah. And here you will need to put in your credit card to be able to go on with this. Now I already have set up, and I would rather not like to set this up again, but okay, let's try. Hi, so unfortunately some of my video went missing, but really after you put in your credit cards details and press OK and it accepted, you should be redirected to the same site as you can see here. So this is the portal.azure.com site, and this is where you would probably start. It can look a little different when it's the first time you're in there, but then that is it, right? And if you're not redirected normally, then go to portal.azure.com and you should see this. So now you are ready for the coming tutorials and in general Azure tutorials where you can follow along now with your own account. Thank you.